everyone, I want to go over with you the referral program with TrūAura, how to use it and how to set it up. First of all, I want to tell you that one of the joys of working from home is we can wear whatever we want. So I'm in workout clothes today and I have not been to the gym, but I'm very comfortable. Okay, the referral program currently is for our clients. You can create a link for each client that has an account with you, and that link is good. It doesn't expire. It's good forever. And they will take that link and they will share it with their friends and family. So if someone compliments them on their skin or their makeup, or they just talk about how good their face feels, if someone wants to look around or place an order, the client can send their friend the referral link. The friend will go onto the link, which will go back to your page, your website. So when they get on the page, they're going to actually create an account. And as soon as they create an account, they're instantly going to get an email with a code. And that coupon code is going to be good for 10% off their first order. So there's no limit on that. And even if something is on sale, they get the 10% off of the sale price. So it's pretty good. So when the friend places her order, then your customer is going to get a code for 10% off of her next order. So your customer can send this referral link to as many people as she wants. And again, when they create an account, they get a code. When they use their code, your customer is going to get a code. The code is good for 90 days. The reason that it's good for 90 days is because if your customer is getting multiple codes, she can only use one at a time. So this will allow her to use her codes and them not go to waste. Now, once the new friend creates an account, you can then send her a referral code and she can continue to get 10% off by sharing her code. And again, once the new person uses their code, then the person that sent them the link will get a code for 10% off. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go into the back offices under resources, and it will say create link. And again, the person has to already have an account. So if you want to give a new person the referral link, she'll have to create an account first, or you can do that for her. But you'll go to the box and you'll go ahead and type in the name of the customer. And then when their name comes up, you're going to click on their name and then you're going to click on send referral link. The referral link is going to go directly to their email. You won't see it. You won't have access to it, but let them know. Don't just go through and send links without communicating. Either have a conversation with them before or after so that they know to watch for it. So if they lose their link or they can't find it or they accidentally deleted it, you can resend it. Just go to where you'll have a list of people that you've sent links to, and then there will be an option that says resend link, and it'll also tell you what day you sent the link so that they can go and look and find it in their email. I'm loving this program, and if you guys have any questions about it, let me know, because this is definitely something that we want to make use of. And your hostesses can also promote this. If you're having a party, you will create a link for your hostess, which that's another video. And there's actually a video on the TrūAura Consultants page on how to do that. But you can create a referral link and a hostess link. Just know that if you have a hostess doing a party, her guests are going to need to go through the referral link to create their account, which will generate their code. But when they get ready to order, they need to order on the shopping link, and then they'll put their code in at checkout. All right, hope you guys are having a great week.